everybody, welcome to my shop. I just wanted to make this quick little video. I got an upcoming ashtray and I wanted to make a little snuff area in the center of the ashtray. I have these blanks, these metal blanks that I get from a metal stamping shop. This is actually the scrap after they punch out a hole. So I was wondering if I could polish these up and use my laser etch to etch something in there. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a quick little video of me trying to polish this up, see if it works, see how it goes. So we'll throw some hot glue on there. Press this thing on there as center full as we can. Let that dry up. We'll take it to the lathe and try to polish it up. Well, here we are at the lathe. The piece is not perfectly centered on the blank, but that's all right. My first attempt, I'm going to try this black container polishing compound, commercial compound here. It's for wood, but the metal's pretty smooth. So this is going to be my first thing I'll try. If not, I'll resort to like sandpaper. You have to be careful with this. Be careful with this because the edge here, spinning at that rate, could be like a razor. Looking at this, it looks like this is probably going to do a pretty good job on here. So let me do a little more. That came out pretty nice. I also have an ultra fine version that the company that I buy from produces. So let me try this ultra fine on here. Wow. I'm sure there's some metal products, metal polishing products that might work better, but for what I had in my shop, that wood abrasive stuff came out pretty nice. There's still some little swirls in there, but I don't know if I'll be able to get that out. See if we can get it to focus on here. The lighting is probably not that good here. And you can see there's a shiny finish on there. So now let me see if I can do something on my laser edger. It's for a cigar ashtray, so I don't know what I'm going to put on there. I don't know if I should put my emblem or if I should put some cigar related. Unfortunately, my cheap laser printer couldn't etch into that material, that stainless. But I love the way it polished up, and I'm definitely going to use that in my cigar ashtray. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and keep an eye out for the next video. Thank you.